No. Right? See this. Diagonals of a rectangle equal and bisect each other, but not at right angles. So only bisect each other? Yes, it can be done. But check the other answers also. Equal and bisect each other? Yes, that is particularly right. Equal and bisect each other at right angles? No, that is not true for rectangle. So either 2 or 3 for A. But bisect each other only. Is there a parallelogram? Yes. Here, diagonals of a parallelogram, they only bisect each other. So they are not equal. So D can be matched with 2 and A can be matched with 3. Right? See this. Keep this figure in mind. This will be helpful to you. Rectangle bisect each other and equal. Squares bisect each other at 90 degrees. Diagonals. Right? Parallelogram, diagonals bisect each other. Rhombus, diagonals bisect each other at right angles, but they are not equal. See, the difference between square and rhombus is diagonals bisect each other at 90 degrees for both, but for square they are equal, for a rhombus they are not equal. Now B, diagonals of a square, they are what? Equal and bisect each other at right angles, right? So B is 4. So what remains for C? C only 1. Bisect each other at right angles. So that is also correct. Diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at right angles. And D is 2. So that's it. That's the required answer. Download Yuaguru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link, WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30, cubes up to 15 by heart. Those would be useful to you throughout your life for any competitive exams. We have separate videos for the same. You can sync behind those videos on a daily basis for 3 months, and I guarantee you, you'll learn all the tables, squares and cubes within 3 months. So keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IEO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.